Guys, help me. I got on the waterfall and now I'm just hovering on the sky right now. Oh no. Help? Any help? Ooh, what's that helicopter? We saw that before. What do I do? What is this? Bro, help me. I'm stuck in the sky. Oh, wait, can I move? Oh, I can. Oh, oh. What? Oh my god. What is happening right now? Damn. I just got on a waterfall. Maybe it's a glitch or something? I don't quite know. How do I go down? Oh, I can like control myself here. Okay. This is weird. I don't know how. I don't know how this works. Wait, do I click the jump button? Oh, I'm going down. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god. Is that a glitch over there? Wait, let me try that again. Let me try that again. Whoa! Ooh. I don't think that worked anymore. Okay, guys, that's a new glitch. Try jumping on the waterfall for a few thousand times, I guess. And that glitch may work. Try it. Okay. That's all for the video, so subscribe if you like Garden Horizons or if you're still on Grow Garden. Bye bye, guys.